Hi, my name is Tammy Calhoun and I'm with Chart. Today we are going to do one of my favorite recipes, Cajun chicken pasta, and this is going to be for cooking and cocktails for a cause. So, when you're making the famous chicken pasta, you want to make sure you have everything ready to go. It makes it a lot easier and it also helps you make the item faster. So here I have everything ready to go. You know what would be easier? Let's just call the order in.
Thank you for calling Firebirds of Stonecrest. This is Stephanie. How may I help you?
Hey Stephanie, I would like to place a curbside to-go order.
Awesome. Can I get the name, please?
Tammy Calhoun. Hi.
Here's your order.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, and if you could just sign this for me.
Absolutely. And that's my favorite recipe. Thank you for your time today. Don't forget to like and share this video and donate to Child Help today.